Okay, here's something fun. I just got this big package from Sculpteo. Let's see, I don't have room on my desk, so I guess we'll just do it down here on the floor. Let me get a knife. Okay, what these are some laser cut cases for a project I'm working on. The one from my last video. So I'm kind of mixing up videos because everything's coming at the same time. But when I ordered these things, when I looked into it, the choices that were easy to deal with were Sculpteo and Pinoco. And I went with Sculpteo because they had a shorter turnaround time than Pinoco. But in the long run, I'll probably go with Pinoco because they in bulk, they had a much better deal with the stuff in bulk. So let's see what we got here. We got our weigh bill and this little package inside of this humongous box. Okay. So let's see. There's our cases. I don't know what all that means, but let's see what we got here. Pretty well wrapped. What the heck? There we go. Now we got it. Okay, so these are the cases. It's a top and a bottom. So this one is the top, and this one is the bottom. Top and the bottom. Let's see. Alright, and then they just ran tape on there to keep them from falling out. Alright, well, let's look at one. Let's pop one out. Because let's see. It smells burnt. I guess the plastic on the outside burned. So let's see what this looks like without the plastic. Ooh, it smells pretty bad. Okay. Looks pretty good. Those outside edges look okay. It's a little. Now that is not round. It's octagonal, it looks like. And that's kind of round. There's a little bit of a there we go. It's not quite round. Must have a dirty laser, huh? Okay. Well, I'm going to put some of these on a case. I mean on a board. We'll have a look at them. Alright, this is the way that I ended up doing it. So by now you probably watched my other video. So this is basically what I'm going to end up doing. So the changes that we're going to make though is, let's see if I can get all my hands in here at one time. I'll use this pen. Okay, so, oh, watch this. This will be clever. I will so what we're going to do is I'm going to have to make a cutout here because I forgot about these switches. So I probably will not put this hole here, and then I may just come over and up like that. That's probably what I'll do. And then once I do that, then I'll have access to the switches, and then I will be able to move this plate down. So this is an 8mm standoff, and I can probably make it this a 6, and that'll be just about right where this will be flush with that. But the first thing I got to do is get access to these switches. And then on the bottom, we really only need about 2mm underneath the pins here. That's all the standoff that we need. So I'll probably take a screw from the bottom, go through a nut, put the plate on there, and then have a 6mm standoff, and then have a screw coming in from the bottom. And that will give us something that is, well, it would be, you know, be about a cent. Well, no, it'll be about, whoops, it'll be about 12mm, I guess. So that, oh, that's 12. So it'll be 12, 13, 14, about 15mm thick. So anyway, overall, I think the quality on this is pretty good. You can see the hole beside the beeper. It's not quite straight. The outside edges where the laser was probably already moving when it came into it are pretty good. The insides are a little not round, but so that's probably where the laser started cutting, and so it's a little off, but I mean certainly very usable. So there you have it. And then here's my other ones back here ready to go. Okay.